Robert's AIPMC Welding Macro Cut Check Facility. In order to come up with a standard for best welding parameters, macro weld check is necessary to check the quality of welds. A cross-section of welded material is polished and etched for examination. Lack of weld penetration, lack of sidewall fusion, poor weld profile, and other defects are checked in accordance with the relevant welding standard. Precision cutting machine. In order to come out with a metal specimen for testing, a sample portion of welded joints will be cut in precision. Mounting press machine. The metal specimen is then mounted into a mold to be filled with a compound to hold it firmly. Metallographic polisher machine. Once firmly mounted, the metal specimen is then grinded and polished. Metallurgical microscope and camera. This specialized microscope is then used to examine cross-sections of the specimen in high resolution. Welding quality evaluation. As the entire macro weld check process has been completed, result will then be reviewed to determine the exact parameters to be used in mass production for welding quality assurance. Robert's AIPMC, where performance meets reliability.